Hi guys, this video is about part 2 and the common topic is sports. Speaking part 2 is called individual long term. You're giving a topic with 4 specific questions on a task card. All the task cards begin with the word describe. It has 1, 2, 3, and 4 questions. All of them look pretty much similar. Also, 1 minute to prepare and then 2 minutes to talk consecutively or non-stop. It's considered to be more difficult than part 1. So let's look at the topic sport. Before we going into anything, let's explore some sports vocabulary. Indoor, outdoor, team sport, or individual sport. You have verbs like play, participate, join in, compete, win, defeat, and lose. You have some nouns like game, match, strategy, team. Teammate is the person you play with. Opponent is the person you play against. Endurance is độ bền, sức bền. Speed and strength. Okay, when you receive the task card in part 2, what you should do is underline the keywords. Use the keywords to brainstorm your answer. You should answer the questions directly. You should use the correct tense. So look at the keywords and identify the tense. If you don't understand any word in a task card, don't worry. You should ask the examiner. You are not punished by asking the examiner, but you are punished if you misunderstand the question, hence answer it incorrectly. Don't be afraid, just ask if you don't understand. Let's look at a task card. So when I receive this, what I should do is look at the keywords. I have keep fit, meaning I exercise or play sports. I should know what it is. I should say who I do it with. I should know where I play and why I like it. So you have some time to look at the task card before you prepare your answer. In this very short time, make sure that you understand all the words in the task card and identify all of the keywords. Usually they are WH questions like this. So now we'll move on to prepare for your speech. You'll be given 1 minute, a piece of paper, and a pen or pencil to prepare your speech. I'll try to prepare it so you can see how it's done. My 1 minute starts now. So I should like running, and it's 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer running. It's not long distance, it's more like a fast run. And I do it alone. This is an individual sport. Sometimes I play with friend or I run with friend. Where? The gym, if it's indoor. Maybe I go to the park to run. It really depends on the weather and why I like it, I guess. Because it's healthy, it's easy, I don't need any equipment or anything, and helps me keep in shape. Okay, I'm done taking note. Let's look at what I did. I use keywords and phrases. I don't write full sentence. A lot of students get into the habit of writing a full sentence in this 1 minute, and it's not very effective. You have only 1 minute. It's not enough. Just write keywords and practice speaking full sentences using just a couple of keywords. You should answer all the questions in order because it helps you make sure that you cover all the questions. You don't leave anything out. You should use bullet points so you keep track while speaking later on. You should use abbreviations and symbol. So like here, I use the X. I don't say not. I write indie instead of individual or SB instead of sports. That's faster. Also remember to write in English. Some students get into the habit of write all their ideas in Vietnamese. It's not very helpful because you can't really translate quickly. Better to write everything in English. Before we going into practice, let's look at how you can begin your talk. Try to make it short. I'm going to talk about, or I'd like to tell you about, or I'd like to start by. I'd like. If you can't pronounce it, just say I would like. I would like to tell you about my hobby, which is running. Short and simple. That way you can capture the examiner's attention. Okay, try to prepare your own response for sports topic.